Hello viewers, in this video I will show you a simple C programming project which is student management system. I built this system or this project using the basic C programming technology. In this video I will show you the complete overview of this project, actually how it is working. Also I will give you the complete source code. So check the description and download the source code. From the source code you will able to understand how actually it is working, and you can run every time for testing purpose. Okay, so let's run this project and check how actually it is working. So at the very beginning it will show you menu from where you can actually choose which operation you want to perform. Let's try to show all the student. Enter 2. Here is currently there is no students available, so go back and try to run this project again, and here is a function data seed. If you uncomment this function, then this function will generate or store some dummy data. So let's try to run again and show all student again. Yes, now there is 3 student. So press B for go back. Okay, and now we will try to add a new student. So before adding a new student, let's try to read the user guideline. Enter B8. Okay, here you will found some guideline. From this guideline you will understand how actually it is working. So it's show that you will only able to store the student ID, name, email, phone number and number of courses. Remember that this is a simple project, so we just to keep this program simple, we just store some common data. Okay, then it shows that a student can have maximum 4 courses and minimum 1 courses. That means a student should have at least 1 course and maximum 4 courses. And a student ID can be maximum 10 character long, and it is unique for every student. Similarly, the maximum length of name is 20 character, and email is unique for every student. Also email is maximum 30 character. Phone number is also unique for every student and it's 20 characters. Similarly for course code and course name. So now go back and try to add a new student. So enter the student ID is TU1, name is maybe Nasir @gmail.com. phone number is try to add a long phone number which is actually not valid. Yes, phone number cannot be more than 2 character long. So try to enter phone number again. This time I will enter a valid phone number. Okay, number of courses, maybe number of courses is 2. The first one is CSC 1, CSC name. Maybe second one is CSC 2, CSC 2. Okay, student added successfully. Now back and show all student. Yes, this time we have 4 students, and at the last we see our new student STU nasir@gmail.com and phone number and number of courses 2. So if we want to show the details of this student, we can go back and search a student, enter 3, ID is STU1. So this is the details of this student. Our number of courses is 2, course 1, course 2. Go back. So this time let's try to edit a student, enter 4, and which student we want to edit? We want to edit STU1. Okay, so this is the student information and we will try to edit those information. In this functionality you can also skip editing, like maybe you want to edit only email, not name and phone number, and then you can skip editing the name by entering 0. So enter 0. This time I do not want to edit the name, I want to edit the email address. So nsnasir123@gmail.com. I do not want to edit the phone number, so press 0. Similarly, I do not want to edit the number of courses, enter 0. Go back and show all student. Yes, name not updated, phone number not updated, number of course not updated, but email is updated successfully. Go back. Now try to delete a student. So we will delete S1, which is student 1, which is also a dummy data. Go back and delete student for 5 S1. Yes, this is the student information we want to delete, so it's just want to confirm that are you sure you want to delete this student. Yes, go back. Now show all student. Yes, there is only 3 students and this one student is deleted. Go back and you can also delete all the student at once, so enter 6. Are you sure you want to delete all the students? Yes. Okay, all the students delete successfully. Go back, show all the student, and now there is no student available. Go back and try to exit this program, enter 0. So application is exit successfully. So this is how actually this program or this project working. I will show you the complete source code. You can download the source code, and I think if you try out the source code you will understand how actually it is working. It's very simple and everything is commented so that you can understand how actually it is working. Also I try to use the proper naming convention so that from the name you can able to understand how actually this is working and this function working. Okay, so that's it in this video.